Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making mom special Kinnethappam. So without any further ado, let's begin. In a kadai, roast 1 cup of rice flour. Roast this really well on low flame till it changes to light brown color like so. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a mixing bowl. Add few cardamom seeds and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt to balance the flavors, and a cup of thick coconut milk. Now mix everything together very well and make sure no lumps are formed. This is how the consistency should look like, little bit on the thicker side. Now transfer this batter into a plate like so or any mold of your choice. Top the batter with some cashew nuts and raisins. Place the batter in the steamer carefully. Steam the batter for 15 to 20 minutes till the batter is completely cooked. After 20 minutes, the appam is ready. That's it, our delicious and easy Kinnethappam is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed during breakfast or as an evening snack along with a cup of hot tea. Do try this recipe. Hope you have liked the video. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in.